requires an endowment of 1.5 million pesos. And following are the chairs that we have established this year. The Alice Anton Laya Centennial Professorial Chair, donated by Dr. Jaime C. Laya. Alna Hidalgo Onrubia Professorial Chair, donated by Alma Hidalgo, my classmate. Ambassador Ramon Vidal Rosario Sr., donated by Dr. Magdaleno Albarasi. Annabel Pizarro Brown, Chair, donated by her beloved husband, Walter Brown. The PSBA Class 1968 UP Centennial Professorial Chair, donated by Class 1968 Accounting. They're there. The Cynthia Villar Centennial Professorial Chair, donated by her beloved husband, Senator Manuel Villar. And the Dean Erlinda Echani Centennial Professorial Chair, endowed by my good friend, Dr. Victoria Bello Hartulin, over there. And then we have 4 Gilbert Swillig Centennial Professorial Chairs, donated by Mr. Gilbert Swillig. We have the Isabelita Benson Poe Centennial Professorial Chair, donated by her children. And we have the Harjulin Centennial Professorial Chair, donated by Dr. Victoria Harjulin. Roberto Alimug Centennial Professorial Chair, donated by Mr. Alimug himself. The Security Bank Corporation Centennial Professorial Chair, donated by Security Bank, and the President is our alumna. Senator Jose Roy, Professorial Chair, donated by his wife. And then the UPBRF Centennial Professorial Chair in Financial Derivatives, donated by Dr. Ilano, Albert Ilano. The Vicente Timbo Sr. Memorial Centennial Professorial Chair, donated by Nonoy Timbo. And the Willie Gaines Centennial Professorial Chair. So if you count that, you can just do the multiplication, 19 times at least 1.5 million. And then there were 17 chairs upgraded to 1.5 million pesos endowment. And these are the Angustia Stereos Bello Centennial Professorial Chair by Dr. Harjulin. Baclotan Consolidated Industries A Professorial Chair. 3BSP Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas Professorial Chair. And we have CN Manabat and Company Foundation A. The Dean Cesar E.A. Derata Chair. We have the Dean Jaime C. Laya Centennial Chair. Don Norberto P. Centennial Chair. Don Pio Pedrosa Centennial Chair. Fanny Cortez Garcia Centennial Chair. Manuel B. Villar Jr. Centennial Chair. Finn Masin.
May I now call Ms. Esther Florentino Toribio, Fredis Winda Canlas Reyes, and Linda Ebay Villegas to represent the class in the turnover of the PSBA Class 1968 Professorial Chair. Ms. Linda Ebay Villegas.
Nakuha si Linda.